Okay guys, we are back, and today I'll be showing you how to sublimate on a circle air freshener, car air freshener. I already have my design printed out. And I'll just put this and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line this up. Okay, it's a little crooked on the design anyway. And then I'm going to get my tape, and I'm going to do one side at a time. So I'm going to tape this side up. Okay, then I'm going to grab my paper. And I'm going to put a piece on the bottom flatten. Then I'm going to do my design face up. And I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper on top. And I'm going to press this at 400 for 60 seconds. And we do have these available in a rectangle as well as circle, rectangle, and square shape. We will be getting in new shapes soon. Not sure what kind of shapes, but it will be a few other different shapes for car air fresheners. So we're at 26 seconds. And you can find these, we have these on our website at arcprintingandsupplies.com under sublimation blanks. So we're at 9 seconds. And I'm gonna press enter. Lift it up. I have first side done. So then I'm just going to do the other side. So I do notice that on this heat press tape that I have, it's brown, and as you see on this side, it did leave some marks. So on this second side, I'm not going to use the heat press tape, so hopefully it won't. So I'm going to use a brand new sheet. Sheet on bottom and a new sheet on top. Then I'm going to press for another 60 seconds, 400 degrees. And if you don't do sublimation, we do sell sublimation transfers. You can get those done custom, and we have pre-made designs as well. We don't have sublimation transfers for like tumblers and air fresheners and coasters and stuff like that, but you can get it custom done, and you can put more than one on one sheet of paper, so you can gang print on the sublimation transfers for the custom. Okay, and we will see if this shifted. Hopefully it did not. Okay, it didn't shift. So that is how you press a double-sided air freshener. And I've never did it, but I know some people that they, after they sublimate it, they put oil or something on it for the smell. You can sell it like this and allow your customer to do that, or you can actually add the oil on there and do it like that. I'm not sure how it will work. I have heard people say that when they put it on there, it kind of stains it or something like that, but I've never done it before. But I would recommend possibly trying one and then seeing it, how it works out. But I mean, like I said, I've seen people put oil on it and they haven't had any issues. But you guys can try to see what works better for you. Again, you can find these blanks on our website, ercprintandsupplies.com. They do come packaged with the string. So you have the string that you just tie on there. Depending on how you want to sell it, you can actually just put it back in the bag like that with the string and then sell it to your customer like that and let them assemble it, or you can assemble it however. But again, you can find these blanks on our website, ercprintandsupplies.com. Be sure to join our Facebook group, ercprintandsupplies.com. We do giveaways, monthly giveaways. We have discount sales, and you can find out about our new products as well in our group. You can also sign up on our website for email to get the sales and the new product emails. You can like us on Facebook, ERC Print and Supplies. Follow us on Instagram and not Twitter, TikTok, ercprintandsupplies.com. Make sure you guys subscribe, share, comment below if you have any suggestions of videos you'd like to see. And also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss when we make another video. I'll see you guys in the next.